This is Spendwise Moms with a quick and easy video on 3 chicken recipes you can prepare in less than 5 minutes, and they are all under $1 per serving. The link to the recipes and the cost analysis is in the description box below. You don't need to know anything about cooking to be able to make these recipes. They are super easy. The first recipe is called chicken and mushroom. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place the boneless chicken in the bottom of an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Make sure to wash your hands after touching the chicken. You can line the pan with chipped beef found in the stores by the tuna, but it will kick you out of the $1 per serving limit if you do. Mix 8 ounces of sour cream with a can of undiluted cream of mushroom soup and put it on top of the chicken in the pan. Cook for 1 to 1.5 hours at 350 or until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. You can put a little bit of cheese on top the last few minutes before it's done if you want to. The second recipe is called Parmesan Chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Place the boneless chicken in the bottom of an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Make sure to wash your hands after touching the raw chicken. Mix 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 2 teaspoons of oregano in a bowl. Mix it well and put it over the top of the chicken. Bake at 375 degrees for an hour or until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. The third recipe is called chicken and 3-soup rice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place the boneless chicken in the bottom of an 8 or 9-inch square pan. You can use a plastic bag or a fork if you prefer when handling the chicken. Open the undiluted cans of cream of chicken, cream of celery, and cream of mushroom. Put them in a bowl and mix them together. Put this mixture on top of the chicken. Bake at 350 degrees for around 75 minutes. Check to see that the chicken is cooked thoroughly. If it isn't done, put it in for another few minutes. If it is done, take it out of the oven and let it cool. Serve it over rice. I usually set a timer about 30 minutes before the chicken is done. I start the rice then, so everything can be ready at the same time. You can prepare all 3 of these recipes and cook them together in the oven at the same time if you want to.